Guys, today I have brought a new homemade stylus for you. It is very easy to hold and apply on the smartphone screen. So let's see how to make this. For making this we need a wire of a size of a pen, this much size pen, a water, little bit water and a knife. So let's start the process. So we will size the wire and cut it out. So we are cutting it from knife, so make sure a elder is near you for this. As you can see, we have cut it out the wire. This is little bit bigger than the pen because we have to use its copper wire that is inside this insulation. So we will not cut this wire fully, we will take out this insulation. Let me show how it is. So we will place on the wire on the table and we will slightly cut the insulation. So guys, you can see I have cut it out the insulation, and we have taken the aluminium wire from it. So we will slightly stretch it out. As you can see, I am showing you, it is very easy to stretch it out. So see, this is the aluminium wire. We will take a one thin piece of the aluminium wire. Let me show. So this we have taken. You can see this is a thin aluminium wire, this much. It's a little bit size of the pen. The next process in which we will empty a plastic pen. So this refill we will keep aside, and this is the hollow pen from inside. So we will place the wire from here to here. So guys, we will slightly bend this wire like this. I am showing in the video. We will bend it out, and then we will place the wire inside the pen like this. Once it will go inside, you have to press it out like this and come back to the another end. So I have also made it in the another end. So I will just close this pen with the wire like this. So guys, as you can see, मैंने इधर से इसका अनदर एंड को बंद कर दिया. ये देखिए जा रहा है एक वायर, और ये ऐसे टिप पे इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करके हमने अंदर कर दिया. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेप इज वी विल टेक a small piece of cotton like this, or little bit less. We will take a water, we will dip our finger like 2-3 times and just rub this like this. As you can see, with two hands I am rubbing this, dipping, and this. Guys, do you know why we are doing this water part? Because water is a good conductor of electricity. So in this stylus we will pass the electricity through the copper wire. बट आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो क्या हम लोगों को स्विच पे करना होगा? नहीं, आपकी बॉडी की जो वाइब्रेशंस होती हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी स्टाइलस को ही वर्क कराती हैं. क्योंकि आप नॉर्मल स्टाइलस जो आपको फ़ोन के साथ मिलता है उसमें भी आप स्विच बोर्ड का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, इसीलिए हम लोग उससे अपनी बॉडी की वाइब्रेशन से यूज़ करेंगे. तो हम लोग इसके अंदर अब इस कॉटन को ऐसे इंसर्ट कर देंगे. So you can take a help of this refill and put it like inside this, like this, as I'm showing in the video, like this. एक स्टाइलस के तरीके आपका शेप भी आ जाए, so it will look nice. So we are inserting this inside it. You can see we have inserted this. Now we will again take one dip of finger inside the water and just touch it in the outer part of the cotton. So now you have seen this how I did. So our stylus is completed. Now let's test it. So guys, see, I am not touching this phone by my fingers. I am just opening it, and now we will use the stylus. So keep one thing in mind that this wire should be in your finger like this. जैसे हम लोग पेन पकड़ते हैं वैसे ही आप इसको पकड़िए, बट इस वायर जो आपको वायर जा रहा है उस पर आपकी फिंगर होनी नेसेसरी है, तभी वो आपकी बॉडी वाइब्रेशन जाएंगी थ्रू कॉपर वायर टू द फोन. सो लेट्स सी. देखिए ओपन हो गया. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग फिंगर, दिस ऑल स्टाइलिश. सी इट इज़ ऑल वर्किंग. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, comment how was the stylus, and share and like the video. Till then, take care.